guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. And of course guys, I know we are all new here, so I'm asking for your support. Please support me, subscribe to my channel, like my videos, share my videos, and nitakuwa naletea content after content, banger after banger. So guys, today I've decided I want to prepare something simple, but I want to prepare some noodles for lunch. It's of course ni saa saba, but nataka ku prepare some noodles and I'll prepare with you guys. Miss Ju wangu na prepare in your kitchen, but guys, this is my soon nitawapatia my house tour. Okay, it's like I'm starting life saizi, so I'll give you my house tour soon. So support me guys. And the noodles that I'll prepare are mine and for my baby, but ndakuja kwa reveal my baby very soon. So guys, I'm asking for your support. Subscribe to my channel, share my videos, and like, comment down below, and I'll continue bringing you more and more videos. So guys, let's get to the video. I'll start showing you my ingredients. Actually, I'm not using a lot of ingredients, so like I said, starting my life, so you'll have to understand what I'm using for cooking and the like. So hapa I have my two noodles. Nishatoa kwa karatasi, as you can see. Forgive me about the camera if it's shaking. I'm shooting this alone. So here I have my two noodles, of course, and the bumbo sauce. Alafu, maybe I like putting both chilies. Ukiziangalia, all of them, they have the chilies. Alafu here, in my sufuria, I have my water here. So I'm going to boil my noodles inside my water. So guys, we'll start by me kuhakisha my, of course I use a stove, so so my baby is helping me, that's why you're hearing the background noise. Nisaidia na kibriti. Give me the matchbox, thank you. So we start by lighting the matchbox in the stove. Usiogope ati because you're using a stove, guys. As long as you're making good content, this is to motivate somebody out there mwenye anaweza kuwa na content but anaogopa kushoot simply because he or she doesn't have a good kitchen. But as for me, I love creating content, so I decided why not start with what I have and where Mungu amesema nianze, maybe with time to grow. So I'll put my water there and we wait for my water to boil. I know it's a long time, so we wait for my water to boil, and then once my water may boil, I'll add some sauce here, the sauce of course, but my noodles, I don't let them cooking for long, of course guys, so we wait for the water to boil. As you can see, nimekelea saizi and our stove inawaka. So maybe after like 7 to 5 minutes the water will be okay. So guys, as you can see, our water is already boiling. Kiangalia mtona some bubbles. Yeah, at least inaonyesha vizuri. So what is our next step? We are putting our bumbo sauce and the chili, of course. Of course, guys, I told you we do it both chilies. So so mimi upenda kuweka my bumbo sauce, guys, ndani ya maji. Of course, you can see the water is boiling. Of course, imesha boil. Then I put my chili. Guys, msiogope, we all start life from somewhere. So please, guys, before you even continue, support me, like my videos, share, comment, itoke vizuri. Share my videos, and guys, we sail together in this journey. So we continue putting our sauce while the water is still boiling, and the chili. Yeah, I love it spicy too, na hizo spices zake like that. And then we take, of course, mtu akosangi mwiko jikoni, you stir. Then we put, okay guys, wanga sikati then my noodles, but at times I love them zikiwa at least zimekato, yani like I love separating them into two because zitakuwa so big. So napenda zikiwa zimetoanishwa hapa, this part natoanisha into two. Nakata kukatika, so forgive me guys. And then the other one I put in there, ndio ipatie space ya kuboil vizuri. So guys, we leave it there to boil. I love serving with my fork here. Stir with using a fork, pate hiyo maji vizuri. So we leave it soften to a point, itafika ikwe nyevu kabisa. Yeah. So guys, as you can see, my noodles have already softened. Zimeachana, at least I've given them space ya kutoshea hapo, and zinakaa tu yummy. Look guys, so we give them some minutes for them to cook. I love my noodles like zikiwa as in not cooked sana. Soon guys, I'll prepare for you even how I cook my spaghetti. So we wait. So guys, as you can see, oh, kina kayami, my noodles are ready to be eaten. Aki, we love them zikiwa tu hivi. So as you can see, they're not overcooked, like zinakaa tu yummy. Guys, try this recipe to your home, tell your friends to try it, and then you will let me know. Forgive me, missina vitu za kushika sufuria, but with time guys, I know I'll grow with you. So guys, here is my well soft noodles. Aki, look guys, so like this. Okay, of course nimewambia it's me and my baby and we preparing lunch, so it was something simple. And to add up, we like Oh, putting some little sauce in it inakuwa more yummy. Yeah, ukieka sauce inakuanga awesome guys. And ukiangalia it's not overcooked, and that's why inatoka kamoja. Look guys, look. Hata ukikula inakaa tu yummy. So guys, as I go enjoy my meal, I'll leave you guys. Subscribe to my channel. My sauce is done, so that shows I have to go and buy some more. So guys, subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel as I go and continue. Okay guys, look at my noodles, so I can taste it with you guys and get to enjoy the taste. Wow. So guys, stay tuned. Comment down below which meal do you want me to prepare for you, but I'll do it with the ingredients that I have as we grow guys. So guys, subscribe to my channel. Let me go and enjoy my meal, and I love you so much guys. Tuambia mtu subscribe, to your friend, to tell a friend to subscribe, and I love you so much guys. So bye bye.